Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, salam sejahtera, salam kebajikan, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya. Welcome to our English class. Today, I would like to discuss about simple present tense. The form of affirmative simple present is subject plus simple present. How to identify subject? A subject in a sentence is a noun, pronoun, person, thing, or place who is doing the task or is being asked, instructed, suggested to do it. In other words, a subject in a sentence performs the verb. It is therefore very easy to identify the subject in a sentence if you have identified the verb. Subject is the one who is performing the verb or is expected, told, or instructed to do so. We can use I, you, he, she, it, we, and they for subject. Tenses are simple the way we talk about time in English. What do we mean by time? We mean the present, the past, and the future, right? These are all different times. We have different tenses to express or talk about those times. First of all, we can use the present simple tense to talk about things which are permanent, which are the more or less always true. For example, we live in Manado. She studies at Faculty of Law. So let's look at another situation in which you can use the present simple tense for routines. A routine is something you do regularly. For example, I get up at 5 o'clock every morning. She always comes to the meeting on time. We can also use this tense to talk about facts. For example, the sun rises in the east. Next, we can use this tense to talk about frequency. For example, in summer, Tom usually plays tennis twice a week. Present and negative sentence or simple present. In present sentence or negative sentence, we use do or does. Do for I, we, you, they, and does for he, she, it. For example, excuse me, do you speak English? Would you like a cigarette? No, thanks. I don't smoke. What does this word mean? Rice doesn't grow in Britain. We can also use simple present to know where someone comes from. For example, where do you come from? He comes from Japan. Simple present also can use to make suggestion. For example, I'm tired. Why don't you go to bed early? Now, it's your turn to make sentences with simple present through the following exercises. On this occasion, I would like to say thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe or like and give your comment.